Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is made by JG Machine Works here in New Jersey. It's a rotary indexing table, intermittent motion as you can see. And they're great to build a small packaging system around the perimeter. You could put your operators, the disc would have pucks which would contain your container. You could put capping, filling stations, just about anything, labeling stations. The unit's operating on 120 volt single phase. Does need air. The control system is all working, as well as the stops. You can see some of the pneumatic devices that were originally on there are operating. The small, probably it was a crimping station, and this may have been a filling station over here. There's lots of places to mount of. Right here. You'll see these air lines are still active. Has 2 emergency stops, a couple of reservoirs for components should your operators have to assemble as you go. We have these under our packaging miscellaneous section. So click on packaging from the home page, and then a subset will open. Select miscellaneous. You'll see others as well. Our website is www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.